hey guys, didn't see you there. Welcome back from break. Let's jump right back with this week's chapel schedule. This Tuesday is our first senior speaker, Nate Wisman. Then on Wednesday, Pastor Javier Velez will be sharing before small group chapel on Thursday and Pastor Jordan Parker on Friday for Breakaway Chapel. Guys, the moment we waited for has arrived because Breakaway is this week. This Thursday to Friday, we will be joined by prospective high school students for an amazing event. Also, on Thursday, we will have an evening service where you can earn a bonus chapel credit before our Breakaway concert right after. It's going to be a blast and we hope to see you there. If you would like to live in an apartment at UVF next semester, it is mandatory to attend one of 3 meetings this week. You can either attend today at 11 a.m., tomorrow at 9 p.m., or Wednesday at 11 a.m., all of which are in Cardone 101. Attendance at one of these 3 meetings is mandatory to live in an apartment. We hope to see you there. Next Tuesday, March 18th, after chapel until 2 p.m. in Heritage Hallway, is the return of Forge's Closet. You can fill up a whole bag of donated clothes for just $5, with all funds going to CSD. If you would like to donate old clothes, you can find various donation boxes in your dorms. Please note that donations are accepted until this Monday, March 17th. Next Wednesday, the 19th at 10 p.m. begins a 10 to 10 fast. Join us in fasting together before ending on Thursday with a worship night at 9 p.m. in the Flower Chapel and enjoying some pizza to break the fast. On Monday, March 24th, is the return of Patriots Got Talent. Join us in the Flower Chapel at 9 p.m. for a showcase of hidden talents from our athletes. Also, we're looking for some performers. Auditions will be held on Sunday, March 16th at 6 p.m. in Krempels. Do you have a nasty car which needs a wash? Well, you're in luck because the community car wash is coming up. Next Saturday, March 22nd and the following Saturday, March 29th, between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. outside Sterling Storage, you can swing by and get your car washed, with all proceeds going to CSD. Coming up on Friday, April 4th from 6 to 10 p.m. is the Spring Banquet. This year's theme is Mission Impossible. Tickets open tomorrow after chapel, so stay tuned in your emails for that link. This Saturday, UVF is hosting the 4th annual Next Gen Make Disciples Conference. If you would like to attend, you can register for just $5. Scan the QR code if you're interested, and you can also volunteer by emailing Eva Drakes. Finally, let's check out our home games we have this week. Today, our women's softball team faces Sarah Lawrence College in a doubleheader at 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. On Wednesday at 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. is another doubleheader with our baseball team facing St. Joseph's University. Then on Saturday at 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. is another doubleheader with our women's softball team facing Lancaster Bible College. That's everything we have this week, UVF. Remember to stay hydrated with a bottle of water.